Oh, I'm getting in so much trouble. Hello everybody, hope you're well. If you don't know, recently Dan Nerdcubed, who's appeared on the channel before, did a charity stream for Red Nose Day, and I was part of that. In fact, this video, I say I was part of it, this video, actually, which I haven't shot yet, is part of it, but I'm now recording. I'm going to be completely honest, I'm now recording a separate intro, because they were like, well, you know, once it's on the stream, if you want to share it with your audience anyway, do it. So that's what this is, basically. So if you missed the stream, here's the video I'm going to do. There's a link here to donate if you want to put it, and I'll put it in your thing, and I'll put it in the description box down below. Can you tell I'm kind of scared? I am, because if I was doing this video in the mid-90s when red noses were easier, it might have been easier. We're doing a cake pop red nose. Let's go to the shop and get our ingredients. Now, the problem with this video was a challenge. I don't actually know which red nose I'm doing yet. Let's have a look on the screen right now. I've just screenshot this off the Red Nose Day website. There's quite a few. There's a green one. It's a frog. Back in the day, it used to just be like a red nose, like a ball, a table tennis ball. That would be so much easier. Let's go for this one. Alright, this is gonna look really, really weird. When I go to the supermarket, I tend to see the same lady all the time. And normally I go in there and buy a load of ingredients, and I've just gone in there and bought one red nose. So let's open it and see which one we get. Oh, this is a nice angle, isn't it? Look at that! This is what's a knight. All right, so let's go back in the supermarket and actually get some ingredients. Let's go big. Let's get about a kilo just in case. I only really want to make one, but that'll do. We also need some icing. So I've made icing loads of times in my life. I'm just gonna basically get some ready-made stuff. And some white icing. I'm also going to get some soup for lunch, but that's not related to this video. Alright, so we are back from the shops, and this is the one. Does it have a name? Yes, Schnoz the Third. Should fit on the schnoz quite well. Brilliant. I mean, it's got feet, and it's like really deep. Oh. Essentially, to make a cake pop, it is just two ingredients, cake and frosting mixed together, so you can bake a cake from scratch. Ideally, if you buy a store-bought one like what I've done, I've got a very dense cake. Yes, like this. This is a Madeira cake. It is literally just a slab. It's just, you could build a house with this. So that we're going to grind that into crumbs, and then you bond it together with your frosting, and that actually creates a kind of dough, like a ball. Yes. Mixing bowl like this. Take off the wrapper and also the hidden one under there. You don't want that in your cake, trust me. I'm talking from experience. Bit chewy. Oh crumbs, this is good, isn't it? There is a gadget for that. This thing, like a Wolverine claw, and you just break it up, because as you can see, there's a couple of chunks in there. We really want to break it down. All right, so this is the icing. Does that look good, mate? Does that look good? It's basically ready-made frosting that you can make yourself very, very easy by creaming together butter and sugar. This sounds quite echoey because my face is half in the bowl. So get yourself a noteworthy wooden spoon, and a little bit at a time. Oh my gosh, do not be tempted to add this to your mouth. So keep doing this, and I'll see you in a jiffy. See that now? It might not look it, but if we get our hands on it, see, it looks a bit like crummy like this, but if you squeeze it together, oh yeah, baby, you are left with a nice sort of non-gooey chocolate golf ball, which is perfect. We need to shape this, and there's a gadget for that. Well, there might not be. I'll show you what I mean. Because this, well, not only is it a musical instrument, is the meatball maker. In fact, they had a small version of this as well. It's from wish.com. You could shove meat in it, put a little bit of cheese in, boom, shape it and make meatballs. I don't know, actually. Just literally shove it, compress it right into your meatball makery thing, and then we just press down, boom. Come on, baby. Look at that. Huh? I mean, it's not the best red nose shape because we still need to do some stuff with it, but that's pretty good. If you haven't got one of those meatball makers, just like go old school Play-Doh style and just shape it into like a ball. So I've got a couple of different size ones there. But as you can see, I think this one's looking pretty good. I'll make a few more. This is not, it's more like a boulder, isn't it? Now, obviously, you've got the bit there where you would stick it on your nose. I don't really think it's really worth me doing it, but I'm going to cut it out anyway. Oh, Amy, stop barking, mate. Sorry, my dog's getting a bit excited. She just donated to Red Nose Day, I think. Yeah, that'll do. That's blooming good. So I'm happy with that. I've got about 4, and I'm just about to put the red nose in the fridge. No, but by putting it in the fridge, it will help to firm up the frosting and the cake and make it a teeny bit stronger, but the chocolate, which we're about to do next, will do that. All right. So for the chocolate, I was going to temper it, which obviously is really good to do because it gives you that nice sort of crunch and a nice shine, the proper real way to melt chocolate. But as it is now with this one, only like that red strip there is what will be seen as chocolate. The rest is just kind of like fondant and stuff. So after having a really in-depth discussion with Amy, we came to the conclusion that we'll just melt it and dye it like normal, just in the microwave, bung it in. So we'll get our chocolate. Helps to break it up. Well, maybe it doesn't. Look at that. Well, that worked, didn't it? Well, get it into little chunks. All right, so yeah, nice even size. I've done homemade white chocolate before, but it does kind of remind me a little bit of soap. One thing to do, we're going to dye this red. We're using a paste colouring. If you use a gel, if you've never done this, I think it's one of these things you've got to experience in life, a bit like childbirth. It seizes, and it's the most horrible thing because you turn this like gorgeous gooey white chocolate lake into like this seized horrible clay thing. It tastes disgusting. So we're going to shove this in here. Bum, 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 bum. 5 minutes is way too long, but every 30 seconds I just got a bit excited. Take it out, little spinny, spin, spin. There we go. Let's not get too excited though. Don't do it for too long. So these little batches you can see where it's melted there. Lift it, nurture it on top of the other boulders of white chocolate that have not had the experience of melting yet. Back in it goes. Where the hell's my spatula gone? Hang on, my phone just rang and I just... Yeah, nah. All right, hang on. Kill. It's a kitchen gadget. Anyhow, look, what we've got now is a lovely droopy, what a word, consistency for our chocolate. It'll be pourable, but now we need to get our gel paste. And here it is, really easy to get hold of in stores. Most supermarkets don't stock it actually, but like more like, I'll just go on Amazon. 1 dollop of this could change your life. So we want to get, this 50 shades of red, right? We've got to get the right shade. Ow. Don't know if you just heard me swear, but I just nearly sliced my finger off with a gadget. So what I'm doing is just getting a bamboo skewer and drizzling in a little bit of this pasty food colouring. So we'll work it round, round. You just got to get enough, if that makes sense. We need it stronger, but we're going to do it gradually. Couple of extra little drops. Whoa, okay. All right. There we go, some red chocolate. So I've got them out of the fridge. I'm gonna do one at a time. And I've just realized if I cover it in chocolate, it's just gonna get bigger and bigger because we're gonna put icing on as well. So we'll just put a little band of red chocolate across the top. Yeah, that will do it. Looks like I'm making something from Bird Box, doesn't it? Whatever that thing is. All right, so I've done 4 there, and actually just to show you with one of them, I mean, you can drench the whole thing if you want, but this one, the actual back was coming off, so chocolate is actually a really good replacement for concrete and cement. So, it can hold things together. So it was cracking there. This bit was falling off, so that will actually hold it. And you can actually see from the first 2 I did, this chocolate's pretty much set on there already because these are so cold. But I'll put them back in the fridge anyway. Oh, no. There was a load of red food dye on my arm, and I went over here because my phone's on charge on email. Look what I've done. My missus is going to kill me. You better don't hate. Is this going to come off? Oh, no. Oh, I can blend it in. Oh, I'm in so much trouble. Fondant icing and some icing sugar. So we're going to roll this out. But I only got a little block. We've got loads of black. That's just for the eyes. So the grey, we might be able to get like 2 out of that. Just get it like a bit more room temperature, because if I try and roll this out, it doesn't want to. It's the same date still. All right, come to daddy. You know what? This is modelling paste, and I've never worked with modelling paste before. We'll try and dye some icing a little bit. Some grey icing. We'll go to a special shop.
This is the Range and West Supermare Kirsty speaking. How can I help?
Oh, hi there. Do you sell any grey ready-to-roll icing, like the fondant stuff?
Oh, let me call that department, because I know we have certain colours.
Yeah. I'm fine. Gotta ring another department. It's like 2 minutes away. Get off the desk, Tracy.
Great, alright, bear with me, I'll have a look for you.
Thanks. How many people are we dealing with? Unbelievable, I could have driven there in this time.
Yeah, we got lots of it.
Ah, brilliant. Thank you very much. Yeah, we got loads of it. Yeah, we got loads of it, she says, alright? We're gonna go. We don't need to brag. I just need a little bit of icing. Must not get distracted.
Charges in under 6 seconds.
Let's get 2 packs just in case. Rest in peace. This might sound crazy, but I knows it's gonna work now. We can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Donate to Red Nose Day. Alright, blimey, this is turning into an epic video. We've got this. Let's try and finish this off. Let's do this. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That is how it should have been. Oh, see? That's I did. I put my icing sugar down, but that's how wet it can get. Oh, I understand that sounded unintentionally French. I'm sorry. Oh, so I've picked one. You can tell I'm nervous because I don't look at the camera. I get a bit like, forget that I'm recording. Oh, that's way too much. Cut off this excess. That's what we're going to do. Yes, we're getting there now, and I can press it in so it goes a bit smoother. Yeah, look, I'm pressing it in like that, and we're getting like the nose that looks like a bum. Apricot, okay, child friendly. All right, so this, although it looks like a tongue, is some red fondant. We'll sort of just go on there like that. So I'm going to put a lump on his forehead, which is going to be roughly there, and then one at the bottom as well, just so it's got that sort of slight angle to it. And then this will go over there. All right, you can see what I'm getting at. Let's jump to the next step. So I'm just finishing off making some markings on the top of the helmet. It is bigger than I was anticipating, but the icing just sort of pops out a little bit. And I'm terrible with icing in general. That's why I tend to sort of avoid it on my channel normally. But hey, it's for charity, and to be honest, it's a blooming cake pop under there. Stick that on top. Yes. Love it. On go the eyebrows. All right. I'll leave it like that. I'm sticking the eyebrows on, and he's got one on the right side. You can see it's a little sort of flatter, whereas this one's got a bit more of a curve in it. Just want to let you know, whilst I've been doing this, I've had a pug just slowly staring into my soul, basically. No pressure. I don't know about you, but it looks like you got the younger son looking up in wonder at his dad. So just starting to finish these eyes off. How does that look? Oh, wow. I am like, I'm terrible at this sort of stuff. I'm really, really happy with that. Oh, what a marathon. So the only other feature it's got is some feet. So I'm just basically making some like 3-pronged feet. Oh, yes. I mean, it needs a bit of a manicure. We'll sort that out, but I'm happy with that. Come on. Well, I don't know about you, but I think that looks blooming stonking. All right, a red nose. It fits. An edible red nose. Can eat it though. Here we go. Straight through there like that. And of course, you've got your lovely cake pop in the middle and our little hidden chocolate layer. Nice. Oh, good. Oh my gosh. That's tasty. That was blooming stonking. So even if you've missed the stream, I believe you can watch it back. Please consider donating to the link on the screen right there. And that's it. See you next time. Bye.
Check your level, player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all three.
You guys are probably wondering, yes, the stain did come out.